Today I'm going to show you how to get started with the Shark Stratos upright vacuum. This vacuum delivers Shark's ultimate cleaning experience. As a parent, I know what it means to have a great helper like this around the house to clean up anything from cereal on the floor to pet hair. Equipped with Shark Duo Clean Power Fin's Hair Pro technology, it digs deep into carpets and directly engages floors to grip and capture hair along with other dirt and debris. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers non-stop hair removal, getting rid of long hair, short hair, and even pet hair from the brush roll. To assemble your Shark Stratos vacuum, insert the wand into the nozzle until you hear a click. Next, insert the pod into the wand. Again, listen for a click. Then take the handle and connect it to the top of the wand and plug the hose into the back of the pod. Both should click into place. And lastly, insert the odor neutralizer technology dial and cartridge to the nozzle and turn until it clicks to select an intensity setting. Once it's assembled, just plug it in and you're ready to go. This vacuum also comes with several accessories to make cleaning my home easier. You can also store your accessories on the pegs right below. The crevice tool provides extended reach into small spaces such as corners and baseboards. Lastly, the Shark Stratos comes with an upholstery tool, which helps to pick up pet hair and large piles of debris from curtains, lampshades, and other delicate fabrics, as well as shelves, tables, and walls. All done cleaning, just unplug the cord, wrap it around the cord hooks, and store the vacuum in your closet. If you're looking for more cleaning tips or have additional questions, visit us at sharkclean.com.